Hello, let's look at interrogative pronouns together. Interrogative pronouns are also known as words or question words. We use them when we want to formulate questions, when we want to ask for information. So in blue here we have our interrogative pronouns, followed by an example in black and an answer in red. So let's start with where. Where are they is my question. I'm looking for a location, a place. They're at home. So the answer to where is at home. Second question, why? Why are you late? We're looking for the reason, the cause. I'm late because I missed the bus. The answer to why? I missed the bus because I missed the bus. Who and whom? Be careful, they've been highlighted for a reason. Who we only use when we're looking for the subject of the verb, whereas whom we use when we're looking for the object of the verb. Now in spoken English we tend to just use who. Who can tell me? Who did you tell? Whereas in written English or formal English we would distinguish two scenarios. Who can tell me? Whom did you tell? So who can tell me? The answer would be I can. Whom did you tell? I told nobody. Nobody is the object of whom. So the answer to whom. Whose, we could also say it's used for possession. So whose homework is this? Or who does this homework belong to? Or whom does this homework belong to? Whose homework is this? It's his. So here we have a pronoun, a possessive pronoun. The answer to whose is his. What and which, we're looking for the object. What time is it? It's 9:10. The answer to what is 9:10. And the answer to which classroom is mine? It's the first on the right. The first on the right is the answer to which. Some more examples. When, we're looking for time, a moment in time. When is your class? The answer is it's at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. is the answer to when. Four more actually. How? How is your class? We're looking for adverbs or adjectives. It was quite difficult. There we get one of each. How was your class? How? The answer is quite difficult. How much? We're looking for something that is uncountable. How much time did you spend there? The answer? About 4 years. So I spent about 4 years there. About 4 years, the answer to how much, or how much time in this case. How many students were there? There were 8 of us. 8 of us is the answer to how many. And finally, last example for today, how long? How long is the movie? It lasts almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours is the answer to how long. I hope that was clear. Thanks for watching and don't forget to get some practice.